Have you ever wondered which programming language reigns supreme in the tech world? Today, we're diving into a showdown between Python and C#. Python, known for its simplicity and readability, is a favorite among beginners and data scientists alike. C#, on the other hand, is a powerhouse in developing Windows applications and games. As technology evolves, the choice of programming language becomes crucial in various sectors. Let's set the stage for a detailed comparison, focusing on syntax, performance, and use cases. Let's start by breaking down the syntax of each language. Diving into syntax, the rules of the language that define how we write programs. Let's start with Python. Python's syntax is like the clear, easy road through a scenic park. It's designed to be straightforward and readable. Imagine you're writing English. That's how intuitive Python aims to be. This simplicity not only makes Python incredibly approachable for beginners but also allows experienced developers to rapidly prototype and move projects forward without getting bogged down by complex syntax. Now shift gears to C#. Here the syntax is more like navigating a well-organized library. It's structured, strongly typed, and bears a resemblance to other C-based languages like C++ and Java. This structured approach means every element has a precise place and purpose, which can significantly reduce errors in large-scale applications, making it a darling of enterprise solutions. So while Python offers ease and speed, C# provides robustness and discipline. Now let's see how they perform under the hood. Performance can make or break an application. How do Python and C# stack up? Let's dive into Python first. Python is an interpreted language, which means it is generally slower than its compiled counterparts. This slower execution can be a bottleneck for applications requiring high-speed data processing or real-time operations. However, Python's simplicity and the vast array of libraries make it an excellent choice for rapid prototyping and applications where development speed is critical. Switching gears to C#, which is a compiled language. This attribute allows C# to typically offer faster execution times compared to Python. Compiled languages are translated directly into machine code that the computer can execute, which means operations in C# can be highly optimized by the compiler, leading to more efficient performance. This makes C# a strong candidate for applications involving complex calculations and performance-intensive tasks. In specific scenarios, the performance of Python can be a benefit when ease of use and speed of development are prioritized, while C#'s performance advantage shines in scenarios demanding high efficiency and speed. Clearly, the choice might depend on the need for speed or the application's complexity. Next up, where do these languages find their stride? Every language has its domain where it shines brightest. Let's dive into the world of Python first. Renowned for its simplicity and versatility, Python is the go-to language for web development. Thanks to frameworks like Django and Flask, building robust websites becomes a smooth sail. But Python's prowess doesn't stop there. It dominates the fields of data analysis and artificial intelligence. Libraries such as Pandas and TensorFlow make Python an indispensable tool for crunching numbers and training machine learning models. Consider the success of platforms like Instagram and Spotify, which leverage Python to handle vast amounts of data and complex algorithms efficiently. Switching gears to C#, it's a powerhouse in creating sleek and responsive desktop applications. Microsoft's .NET framework is a testament to C#'s capabilities, providing a comprehensive environment for developers to craft applications ranging from simple form-based programs to intricate user interfaces. In the realm of game development, C# takes the crown with the Unity game engine. Many top-selling games like Monument Valley and Hearthstone owe their interactive and engaging experiences to C#'s integration with Unity. Furthermore, C# is a staple in enterprise-level back-end systems, offering robust, scalable solutions for businesses globally. Understanding these use cases helps in selecting the right tool for the right job. Let's recap what we've covered. We've seen some fascinating insights today about Python and C#. Let's quickly recap. In our exploration, we delved into the distinct characteristics that set Python and C# apart. Python, with its straightforward syntax and high readability, makes it a favorite for beginners and for tasks requiring rapid development. It's the go-to for scripting, data analysis, and prototyping, where speed of writing code is crucial. On the other hand, C# boasts of robustness and speed in execution, thanks to its compiled nature. This makes it exceptionally well-suited for developing complex applications like games, enterprise software, and mobile apps, where performance is key. Today's discussion also highlighted the optimal use cases for each language. Python shines in the realms of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and web development. Meanwhile, C# is the powerhouse behind many Windows applications and game development with Unity. As you consider which language to learn or use for your next project, remember to weigh these characteristics. Whether you choose Python's simplicity or C#'s power, mastering either language opens up immense possibilities. Dive in and start coding.